welcome back to Misha's Corner. Also, welcome to episode 5 of my Thanksgiving series. I'll be showing you how to make this super delicious, oh my goodness, jalapeno popper potato salad. So let's get into it. Now, these are the potatoes that I'm using because they were on sale in my grocery store, but use your fave or the one that's on sale, period. So this is how I'm going to chop up my potatoes. These were fairly large, a little bit bigger than, usual size. So I did 3 times down and then 3 times across and diagonal 3 times again, and to get it to the right consistency and size that I prefer. You could cut it to the size that you prefer. Just make sure that they're around the same size, like all the pieces, so that they cook evenly. And so then I'm going to drop it into my pot because you know how we do. We always start potatoes or eggs in cold water, and as it comes to a boil, it cooks faster, and you can't mess it up. You're good to go. And so this is just me pretty much just cutting everything up, getting it good to go. And then now I'm going to salt my water. I'm using kosher salt. Use your salt that you have in your house. It should taste like the ocean. You want to season your potatoes. They won't be over salted. You are going to pour it off, Oh, child, look at my moo-moo. So now I'm going to chop up my jalapenos, and then we'll move on. So next I'm going to chop up my shallot. You can use onions, chives, scallions, but I prefer the shallot in this case because it is the jalapeno popper potato salad. And with jalapenos, you mix your shallots or your onions with your bacon, your cream cheese, and all that stuff. So I used shallots because I like the flavor and the texture of it. So, do what works best for you. But I'm not going to lie, I didn't have anything else in my house anyway. So regardless, job. So now here's everything else you need. You need some mayo. You need cream cheese. You need, of course, the shallots and the jalapeno, some red wine vinegar, mustard, and bacon. Now you can use whatever bacon you prefer. I've never had this dish with turkey bacon, but this is a bacon I had on sale. It was $5.99. So now I'm going to build a sauce, which is the mayo, the mustard, and all the other ingredients I just showed you. And then we'll move on. Now to season this up, I'm using this grillmates maple smokehouse maple. It's one of my favorite seasonings, especially for chicken, but I wanted it for here because again, the theme is jalapeno popper, potato salad. And so I'm crossing the two over with each other. Okay, period. So I'm adding granulated garlic, onion powder, and that's it. You don't need any salt. Oh, that was the cream cheese. I used half a block. Remember, all ingredient measurements will be in my description box, so make sure you check that out. Make sure your cream cheese is all the way room temperature. And as a matter of fact, I did pop mine in the microwave for 12 seconds because I didn't have time, honey, because that would have been a mess. If the cream cheese wasn't like super soft, like spreadable soft. So, yeah. And now I'm just going to mix it up well. And now I'm going to drain my potato. Don't talk about me. This is the only strain I got. Okay? When this move is over with, y'all see all the new stuff. This is all I got. Okay? Don't talk about me. And so, as you can see, the potatoes are perfectly cooked. So now I'm going to cook my bacon in the air fryer. Cook yours however you want. So now let's put it all together. As you can see, my potatoes are perfect. They're tender, but they're not falling apart. I don't like mashed potato salad. I don't know if I'm eating potato salads. I want pieces of potato. Okay, so I added everything to the bowl: the shallots, the jalapeno, the potatoes, and now you want to mix gently from the bottom to the top. And y'all, first of all, when that jalapeno and shallot hit the potatoes with the smell, like I can't. And nothing's hot because the potatoes are cool. Make sure you cool your potatoes. They need to be cooled all the way down. they're not hot, so it's like, but it smells so good. And the bacon, it smells so good. But yeah, I'm gonna mix it up and I'll show you guys what it looks like. Let me tell, first of all, I love my southern style potato salad. Nothing will ever come between me and that. But this right here, I understand y'all like the traditional stuff, but for 2022, y'all know life's short. You'll be here today, gone tomorrow. I think y'all should try this for your Thanksgiving table this one time. It's not going to, your family will still love you. Don't even worry about it. I think that y'all should try this recipe. And if it's not good, y'all can come drag me. Because that's how much I know it's delicious and really, really good. It tastes like a jalapeno popper, but potato. But thank you guys so much for watching. I love you for your support. Catch me tomorrow with episode 6. And I'll catch you guys on my next one. Bye.